Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's MAKIA Forex and we're back with our Usdjpy analysis. So yesterday I did this analysis on Usdjpy. I told you guys that we're on a descending channel. Yeah, we're in a bearish channel and the market is still bearish, even though yesterday we were predicting I was going to buy for a while, but it bought, and after it bought, it formed this shooting star candle, this particular candle over here, and price sold back to the downside. Right, this is the 1 hour time frame. Like I told you, we only trade in the 1 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame, or daily time frame. Obviously I may be giving you entries in the 15 minutes time frame, but let us focus on the 1 hour time frame for now. So you can see that previously from here we had a bearish order block. Okay, that's from here we had a bearish order block. So when price rose back and came to the same area, I was expecting price to even sell from this particular zone like this, because you know when you're in a bearish trend, you know that a support can become a resistance. So this was my previous support, because this is the Asian session of yesterday. Let me zoom it out. This is the Asian session of yesterday, right? So Asian was bearish, market sold for like 100 and I think 110 pips, sorry, 100 to 110 pips, right? And then during the during the London market bought for like 60 pips. How they call it again? Market formed a bullish order block and it bought, right? So when it bought, it entered back this order block that was formed here, and it formed this particular candle, this shooting star candle. Now you can see that price sold, then price bought back. However, when price bought back, it went and tested that same area, that same shooting star candle, and market was being rejected twice. And what happened? We had now a bearish engulfing candle, and that started a bearish trend. So this candle started a bearish trend, and that's what has been happening since 6 p.m. yesterday. So it has said that you can clearly see that it has been bearish, it has been bearish, it has been bearish, and it even broke the previous low of the day. That was low of yesterday, as you can clearly see. So market is going back to a bearish trend, but there are areas which we are looking at. We are looking at this zone, but I'll be more interested in this particular zone down here, because this zone actually formed a double bottom before it bought. This is a first bottom, second bottom. So market is bearish, but we are looking at areas to buy, because it can be bearish for a long period of time. Now if you look at a higher time frame, you know that it's clearly bearish, right? The higher time frame is bearish, daily time frame bearish too. You can clearly see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, that's 7 days bearish in a row. But like I said, I was told that this is the main area, because in the daily time frame this is the main bullish order block. So let's see how price will enter this zone and behave when it gets to this particular zone. The other things I was drawing was in the smaller time frame, but this is my main higher time frame outlook. So weekly we are still bearish in the weekly time frame, and I told you that because we had a doji candle in the weekly, we're going to be bearish. That's what I told you yesterday. So we are still bearish as of now. Let's be patient and see what's going to happen during the day.